name is BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. All right.
When you get to your guitar, review page 10 and imagine looking through the back of the neck. Use the mirror image to become familiar with the thick strings on the top and the thin strings on the bottom. Today we're going to take a look at page 11. We're going to sing and play the Every Ant Deserves Great Big Ears song. In some boxes, you'll see the word sing, and in other boxes, you'll see the word play. You might also see play and sing. For each of the boxes that say sing, just sing the words that you see in the box. For the box that says play, play the note that you see. In the case of box number 4, you'll play the big E string 2 times. Remember your instruction. Strum each letter 1 time for 1 beat. So when you get to box number 4, you're going to play the big E string 2 times before moving on to box number 5. You're going to repeat that in box number 6 by playing the big E string 2 times. On to box number 7 where you sing. Then in box number 8, you're going to play all 6 strings in order while you sing. In box number 9, you're going to touch the strings gently to stop the sound. You'll see a reminder of the string names, thick on the top to thin on the bottom. BB Fuzz reminds us to make sure our guitar is in tune. We'll see some helpful videos soon. For now, let your teacher or someone who knows how to tune the guitar help you out. Remember to point your guitar in the correct direction. When some people play, they like to use a guitar pick. Remember we looked at one of these back when we studied the parts and pieces of the guitar. It makes the guitar sound just a little bit louder when you're playing. If you use the pick, let it gently glide across the E string in box number 4 2 times, like this. In box number 6, you'll repeat that. In box number 8, you're going to play all the strings. If you want to play with a guitar pick, you'll need to bring one. If you don't have one, try a local music store, online, or you can create your own out of an old gift card. Let's try playing our Every Ant Deserves Great Big Ears song. Remember, we're going to start with a little bit of singing. Every ant deserves great big ears. Every ant deserves great big ears. Every ant, every ant, every ant deserves great big ears. Every ant deserves great big ears. If you forget your assignment, come over and take a look. Treat your guitar with kindness, strum it gently, and remember, we're not going to touch the tuning keys.